Now for our featured story of the day. Bitcoin power law sees up to 300% Bitcoin price gains by late 2025. It also predicts a $1 million target. I'll let you know when that is likely as well, according to the power law model. As you can see here, let's break it down. Bitcoin has 3 months to go until the bull market resumes, but it can still see 300% gains by 2026. Now, 300% from the current price action of roughly 60,000 ultimately means a $200,000 rise, which would take us on the cusp of $240,000 per BTC. So let's break it down. In a post on X, July 9th, APSK32 returned to his power law metric chart to likely show the future performance of the Bitcoin market. The power law essentially provides a lower Bitcoin price support band, which has held since Bitcoin traded at just $1. Several other bands or time contours provide additional price information, ultimately giving a $1 million Bitcoin price target for 2036. I think that is way late, but nonetheless, according to the power law, 1 million by 2036. Now, quoting him here, time contours tell us how long it will be before the support forces current prices upwards. For 12 years, every bear market has returned to the support line. The support passes $1 million in 2036, and Bitcoin isn't stopping there. Want to know why? It's going up forever, Melda. Relaying the past price action onto the current 4-year cycle as defined by ASP32 is helping to explain current market behavior, including the ongoing 25% drop from March's 73.8 all-time high. Quoting them again, a Bitcoin cycle pattern continues. Price should remain inside or near this blue cloud. The ETS pushed us out of the cloud, and now we're reverting back. We are 3+ months away from upwards acceleration, and we can see the prices go up 4x by the end of 2025. Send it. Let me know if you agree or disagree with that sentiment. And do you think we hit the cycle peak sometime in 2025, or are you still bullish for this year of 2024? I'd love to know your thoughts. Now, an accompanying chart shows the so-called power law fractal cloud, a guideline range for the Bitty going forward. Quoting him again, does the price have to stay within the cloud? Absolutely not. This time could be different. In fact, it already is. And a major difference for this cycle, for the first time in Bitcoin history, we achieved the all-time high pre-halving. All the previous halvings, it was always post-halving. So things are different. And also, we didn't have any of the institutional FOMO we have this cycle. Previous cycle, it was driven pure retail when we hit 69,000 back in November of 2021. So Bitcoin traders are poised for further Bitcoin price downside as a feeling of fear takes over crypto. However, some would argue that the bottom is already in. Do you think we'll hit sub 50,000 levels as some of the analysts are projecting, family? Or do you think, we just escalate and continue up from here? I'd love to know your thoughts. And what are your thoughts as well regarding the power law model? Can you see a 300% price gain in BTC over the course of the next year, taking BTC to 240,000 per coin? Do you think that's conservative? Do you think that's realistic? I want to know your thoughts. And also regarding their 1 million prediction by 2036, my personal insight is I believe by 2029, the year preceding the next halving in 2028, we're most likely to smash that 7-figure milestone. But I'm going to read all of your comments. Welcome everyone to the Q&A segment of the live show. Bobby Digi. Yeah, I know. Who is he? What up, brother? I think it was the onions. Oh no. So much wet carpet. Dang leaks. Oh no. Stay humble and stack them sats. You know how we do. Still bullish, JV. I will always be bullish even if it goes down to $1. I'm right with you 100%. We all know it's not going to $1, but even if it did, diamond hands and laser eyes, you know how we do. Ain't no one taking our biddies. They're lost and gone forever. Just ask Nip. You know what I mean? Bitcoin, Roger out. And now to answer Dankness's question earlier, what do we call those who hodl fiat? The fiat hoarders. We got a name for them.
But like most of the people who are buying assets at some point want to sell the assets at a profit. People that use
fiat. Salam family. Shout out my man Muhammad. Assalamu alaikum, broski. Bitcoin at 32 G's still in play and Sol to zero. It's a guarantee, says Muhammad.
Fiat currency as a store of.
Oh, that's what's up. You work at a resort on the beach? Nice.
Store of value. We call them poor. We call them poor.
Poor plebs. The graph sent you, JV, today was awesome. Yeah, I checked it out. It showed you it just progressed. That was pretty lit. Definitely saw that. I appreciate it. Got definitely a nice chart. Yes, it does have its beautiful views and not just half-naked women. Now we know why he's really working there. Don't you think accumulation is too high and long for a 4X? 150X. That's more like it. I mean, I'm all for it. 150X sounds great. I mean, 100X from here is what, 5 million Bitcoin, right? Am I calculating that right? Add a few zeros, bada boom, bada bing. I got the laser eyes and the batter hands. Hey. With this heat, the carpet will be dry in minutes. Crazy. JV, I have a house near Ulmerton and the PIE airport because I was an airline pilot. Oh, snap. Vacation. Home is Montana. 90 degrees. Oh, word. Small world, brother. Reppin' Ulmerton. I dig it. Pinellas County, representing. See, back in the day, my first business, I had an appraisal company. After working as a trainee appraiser in the Tampa Bay area for a couple of years under the supervision of a certified appraiser, I finally stepped up, got my real estate appraisal certification, which was an extremely difficult test, at least at the time. I think I failed my first 2 times, passed my 3rd time, and then I had a real estate appraisal firm, and I've probably appraised thousands of properties over the years. In Pinellas County, I served Hillsborough County, which is ultimately the Tampa Bay area, Pasco County, even Hernando County. I've even done some appraisals out in Polk. You know what I mean? So, small world. JV, you know I have the game to make sure they have the great vacay. Enjoy yourself, brother. Welcome, Molly. What's up, poppin'? It's good that we tapped 58,000 this morning. We definitely needed a little recovery, so good stuff. JV has a hookup for the resort. Nice. Then the magic will happen. Bitcoin to 125 to 231,000. Muhammad again with the guarantee on your initial investment back. Just note, no information on this stream, YouTube channel, or podcast is financial advice. So this is for entertainment purposes only. So if anyone guarantees it, it's still not financial advice. Just got to throw that disclaimer out there.